Hiya, just thought I'd show you how I'm getting along with this black slate clock. As you can see, I've added on the metalware. What I've done with that, I've used gold flakes, gilding or whatever you call it. Maybe I'll do a little video on that. It's much nicer than just painting it. Here's a slightly better look at the engravings, which I did on one of my previous videos. As I say, nice if I could have touched them in with paint and got them to be as gold and shiny as that is, but otherwise this clock is looking lovely. It's a huge old thing. So one of the jobs I've got to do is to sort out this dial. You can see where the numbers of, well, the Roman numerals have just worn out, and I've made a start on it. Again, I've sort of worked out a nice little way of doing that one, and I'm going to show you that in this video. Right, for this process I'm using a enamel paint. Was it not? There you go. Just metallic gold number 16. It's just what they had in the shop and it seems to be alright for me. I'm using a little piece of bamboo from a chopstick. The reason I use this is you can cut it finer than you can a toothpick. Bamboo's got a much finer grain. Old credit card, and that's it. So basically what I did was clean this is that black marble slate, whatever anyone wants to call it. I cleaned it all off and got it all nice and clean, and all I'm doing is using a little bit of this on the stick. That's it, like that. Wipe your stick clean because you get a bit of a build up on it. I'm just going to show you this then, just using nice straight edges. I'm using a credit card. I've got to admit, the other ones came out better than this. I guess there. It doesn't matter if you get smudges, because once the paint has gone off, you can pretty much scrape them off using the credit card again. In fact, I think what this one is doing is, oh no, that's it, there's a bit of fluff on there, that's why it was nice. But yeah, that's the general idea. And it may need a second coat, which the other ones I initially did, these ones I did give them 2 coats anyway, and that just made them much nicer finish. But you do that after a day or so. I'm trying to do this with the camera and I'm a little bit of an awkward angle because the camera's in the way, the tripod's in the way. Obviously, you know, although it doesn't matter how much you put on there, the less you put on there, more tidier, or the less smudging you get on there, really. So you got really want to make sure that's as flat and as straight as possible. I haven't tried this on those engravings and those etchings. I half want to and then I half don't want to, in case it comes out crappy. The engravings appear to be a bit shallower than these numerals, and if I try it and it doesn't work, I've got to go through the whole etching process again. Knowing me, I'm going to end up having a go at it anyway. We're locked down at home, can't do sod or anyway, so yeah, that one came out a lot nicer. Just always remember to wipe the card clean as well afterwards. Little bits try and clean off, but yeah, that's the general process. I'll finish it all off and then show you what it looks like once it's all done. Right, finished the dial and it's come out looking really nice. The lettering is really crisp. I've just gone over it with a little bit of boot polish, tissue wrapped up in this sort of rubber thing here, just to give it a little bit of a shine, and that's skated over the indents. So very pleased with that. That's come out. To go in a bit closer so you can see it. It's a really good finish. So guess what? I couldn't help myself. I'm going to have a go at this. It needs it. It needs to be gold. It can't just stay grey, especially with all these other bits on there. So my next video will be how to paint these in